Hey guys, so it's me Sydney, and today I just want to show you how to make some slime. So first we'll be starting off with some glue, School Elmer's glue. Now if you use clear glue, it will not work. So I prefer you to use as Elmer's school glue, and it's washable. See? Okay, let's get started. So first you're going to add some glue. Now I'm just going to, let me see. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to set it up right here. Hi. So you have, wait, it's not the right container. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, so what you're going to need is a bowl, mixer, glue, and so on. So what I'm going to start with is some school glue. Get that away. Okay? Now let's pour it in. Take the lid off. Okay, it's almost filled out. Okay, looks like it's all done. Okay, now what you're gonna do is just like mix it a little bit, just get it in, and then you're going to add whatever food coloring you want. So if you need food coloring, but you don't have to use food coloring, it's totally optional, but it just helps to give it a color. So you guys know that. So there's either blue, red, yellow, or green in these. See? But there's like blended shades, like orange, and they tell you like how to do it. See that, guys? So I'm just gonna do just like a regular thing. So I think I'm going to do red, but it's actually going to turn out as pink. Okay, so watch. So I'm going to put some in. Oh, cap dropped. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you could add more and more if you want to make it a darker, but it's actually going to turn out as a pink. But some of you would do red, and it's not going to turn out as pink. Ooh, see, look at that pretty color, guys. That's so pretty. See that? It's like a hot pink. It's so cool, guys. So just mix, mix, mix until you drop. I'm just kidding. Okay. So, there. After you're done mixing, that's what the color is. Yeah, isn't that a really pretty pink? It's a hot pink. Like a bubblegum pink. And after you're done, you're going to put the cap on. That's what I'm going to do. So, keep mixing it. It's a really pretty color. So after you're done, what you're going to do is add some shaving cream. So I think it could be any kind, but I prefer Gillette. But it's foamy, a foamy shaving cream. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to take the cap off. And just spray a little to keep adding some. That'd be good. Okay, let's get mixing. So guys, I am right now 10 years old, and my name is Sydney Hours, and I'm going into 5th grade when I'm 10 years old. So, yeah. So when I put the shaving cream in, it put like a really different color. It turned into like a really lighter pink because like the white shaving cream like mixed into it. So I think that's actually pretty cool. So yeah, mix, mix, mix until like it blends in with it. It's like one big color, okay guys? Get that? So that's pretty cool. Okay, now I think that's enough shaving cream. Now, let me put that right here, out of the way. So, now the last ingredient that you're going to need to do is some activator. So it's eye solution, like contact solution, but it's like an activator for the slime to make it like form. So it's like, it looks like this. Take it off, and it's like a gentle formula, but I'm just going to pour a little and start mixing. Whoa, you see that, guys? It's like starting to form. That's really cool. It's starting to form, guys. You see that? Whoa, 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 whoa! I dropped it, guys. That was funny. Nope, it's okay. Didn't spill. Fine. Okie doke. Okay, so I'm going to keep mixing. See that? Wow, that's so cool. Okay. Look, my nose itches. Towel. Okay. My nose. Okay. So, keep mixing. Keep mix until you drop. I'm just kidding. Like I said. Okay, I need to pour more. Would that be enough? Like I said, guys, it's just to make, the shaving cream is just to make it fluffy, and the food coloring is just to make it color, but you didn't have to do food coloring if you don't want to. You can do any color of food coloring that you want. I'm just doing pink. Like, well, it actually was red, but it actually turned out to be pink, which was really cool when I first found out. So, yeah. Okay. Now this is really cool, and soon I'm going to be taking it out. Whoa, got stuck on my shirt. That's gross. That is gross. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's put that away. I gotta... Now, now you're gonna just keep mixing, 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 just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. And soon we're going to be taking it out and seeing it. Now I'll see the reveal of it. Okay, guys? So last time I was unboxing something, like, but I didn't post it on YouTube because it was like really bad and like it didn't even have a point. Like I just like opened something and then just wandered off. So that was like really funny. So you should go and check out my YouTube channel. And so yeah, and it's actually not my first time making slime, but I just got this recipe off, I didn't like make up the recipe, well, of course I didn't, but like, you guys could like check that out, and really. Okay, let's see how it turned out. So you're going to put your mixing tool down, let's see how it turned out. Okay. Whoa. Guys, this is like super cool. Whoa. Really sticky. Look at that, guys. So cool. Look at that. Yeah. I can hear my sister and my brother. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that pretty pink color. Wow, guys, this is like so cool. You see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was like so cool. Mind blown. Wow. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Oh, just look at like the texture and stuff. You can like put down, like poke it. See that? So you can like put it down, like poke it. So stretchy and cool. I love it. Wait, whoa. Got stuck on the thing. Let me get it. Oh no. There we go. What? Okay, so look at that. No. Wow. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the ingredient worked, but you're just going to need all these ingredients. No. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed the video. You should subscribe to me, and comment down below if you ever made slime, because I love slime. Like I adore slime. So I hope you put a thumbs up on that video and smash that like button. I hope you did for this, because it was really cool. So the ingredients again is glue, shaving cream, contact solution, and food coloring, but you don't need it. So hope you enjoyed it. Peace. Bye.